In this video, I'm going to show you how to play Live Forever by Oasis, off of their album, Definitely Maybe. And if that sounds good to you, smash that like button and stay tuned. What's up, alt rockers? America's favorite guitar playing Ginger is back with another guitar lesson. If this is our first time meeting, my name is Scott, and I teach aspiring guitar players like you how to play the best rock songs of the past and how to produce the best rock songs of the future. Today we have Live Forever by Oasis. Comment down below if you think Oasis will ever get back together. And let's dive in. Live Forever is a song that uses mostly open chords. It's going to start on a G chord. And I'm using the big G chord here, which is 3rd fret 6th string, 2nd fret 5th string, and then we have an open 4th and 3rd. Then we have 3rd fret on the 2nd and 3rd fret on the 1st. Then it's going to move to a D, an open D chord. Then to an A minor, then to a C, back to a D, and repeat. And the right hand rhythm is going to be strumming this pattern. Down, 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 up, up, down, 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 up. Down, 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 up, up, down, 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 up. Down, 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 up, up, down, 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 up. Let's try adding in the chords and playing it slow. It's going to start on that G. Down, 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 up, up, down, 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 up. Then we jump to a D. Down, 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 up, up, down, 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 up. Then to an A minor. Down, 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 up, up, down, 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 up. Then to a C. So we play half of that bar there, jump back to the D, finish it, and then back to G. Let's piece those together at full speed. So we've played that chord sequence twice and we've finished the verse. Now we're going to jump into the chorus. The only difference between the chorus and the verse is that the E minor chord is going to replace the big G chord from the verse. So the chorus is going to start on that E minor, and then it's going to go through the same chord structure. It's going to jump to D, then to A minor, then to C, back to D, and repeat. So we start on that E minor again. D, A minor, and then the chorus is going to end on an F major 7 chord. So for those of you unfamiliar with that chord, we have 3rd fret, 5th string, 3rd fret, 4th string, 2nd fret, 3rd string, 1st fret, 2nd string, and then an open 1st string. And the right hand rhythm is going to be the same as the verse. Down, 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 up, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, up, down, down. So let's piece the chorus together at full speed. Starts on that E minor. Repeat. then jump to the F major 7. And then we go back into the verse. From here, we'll play a second verse and a second chorus exactly the same as the first. And then we're into the solo. So we have kind of a long 16-bar solo in this song. It's going to start on the 12th fret of the 4th, hammer on 14, and then play 12 of the 3rd. Can add some vibrato. Then we're going to bend, full bend, at the 14th fret of the 3rd, release, then 12 of the 3rd, 14th of the 4th, 12 of the 3rd again, and then hammer on 14. So far we have this. Then we'll repeat that little section. And then I'm going to roll my 4th finger over to play the 14th fret of the 4th string. So we have this so far. Then we're going to play a double stop on the 3rd and 4th strings on the 12th fret. So we play both of those strings together. Then we'll hammer on 14th fret of the 4th while we're holding that. So we have, and then play the double stop again. Then we move the same pattern to the 4th and 5th strings. So we're going to play that one twice. So we're on the 12th fret of the 4th and 5th strings, hammer on the 14th fret of the 5th, do that twice, and then back to the double stop on the 3rd and 4th. So that section sounds like this. Then we're going to play an open 3rd and 4th string, and then an open 2nd and 3rd. Let's play everything we have up until this point. From here, we're going to play the 9th fret of the 4th string, slide up to 12, slide up to 14. Then we'll play 12 of the 3rd, hammer on 14, and then we'll repeat that bend that we learned earlier. And then the double stop again. So this time we're going to stay on the 3rd and 4th strings, play that twice. Then we're going to move up into the higher register. This part's going to start on the 15th fret, 2nd string, slide up to 17, and we're just going to vibrato that note for an entire measure. And you can pluck this note randomly so that it continues to ring out. So it's going to sound like this. From here, we're going to play 17, pull off to 15 on the 2nd, and then 16 on the 3rd. Back to 15 on the 2nd, 16 on the 3rd, move your index finger to 14 on the 3rd, back to 16, and pull off to 14. So that part sounds like this. Then we slide down to 12 on the 3rd, hammer on 14, back to 12, 14 on the 4th, back to 12 on the 3rd. Let's play that little section in full. From here, we're going to play the 14th of the 3rd, back to 12, full bend at 14, release and pluck 14, then 12, hammer on 14, and 12. So that section. Then to 14 on the 4th. Then we're going to move over to 12 on the 5th. Hammer on 14, 12 on the 4th, hammer on 14, and then 12 on the 3rd. Then we'll do a full bend on the 14th fret twice. Release, pluck 14 again. Then to 12. Then over to 14 on the 4th. Back to 12 on the 3rd. So that section. Then we'll repeat the entire second half of the solo again. Sounds like this. And then we'll repeat that little run there. That's 12, hammer on 14, 12, hammer on 14 on the 4th, and then 12 on the 3rd. Then 14 full bend twice. Release and pluck. Then to 12, 14 on the 4th, and then 12 on the 3rd. And that completes the solo. Like I said, that's a pretty long and extended solo, so let's go through the whole thing together slow so we have all of the parts. Starts on the 12th fret of the 4th string. At this point, we'll go through the last verse and the last chorus. At the end of the last chorus, we'll go to that F major 7 chord, and then we'll alternate it with the A minor. We have a bit of an extended outro section here, repeating the A minor and the F major 7. And the song will end on an A minor. Seriously, Noel, Liam, get your shit together because the world wants an Oasis reunion. Comment down below if you agree. And while you're down there, click the subscribe button to join the congregation and get more guitar lessons and videos every single week. Thanks so much for joining me, and remember, hug the gingers in your life because we do, in fact, have souls.